the United States has always had a tense relationship with cryptocurrency. While the citizens adore Shib and other cryptocurrencies, recent discussions of money laundering seem to have taken an unprecedented turn, despite the government's general suspicions. Keep watching this video to see how this turn on Shiba affects us. Disclaimer: here are some brief updates before continuing with the main story. In recent days, the activity of sheep burning has been exceptionally high. The community managed to burn nearly 40 million sheep tokens over the weekend, with 11 million of these tokens burned in a single transaction. In about 7 days, the community burned nearly 200 million sheep. In addition, the sheep supermarket is responsible for 11 million sheep burns. Since it is a burning project, it is not surprising that the sheep burning project has been very active in the sheep burning scene. However, many of the fires were caused by private and small-scale landowners who intended to increase the price of sheep. It just goes to show that increasing the price of sheep requires team effort. Second, sheep-related activity is at an all-time high. Over the past 2 days, the largest cryptocurrency holders on the Ethereum blockchain have consumed trillions of sheep tokens. 2 large Shiba Inu transfers took place over the weekend, one of which was identified as a purchase made by one of the 200 largest whales on the Ethereum network. According to data from 2 of Mir's leading wallet trackers, a whale paid a staggering $120 billion worth of sheep, which was worth about $1.4 million at the time of the transaction because of these purchases. Shiba is now one of the most actively traded tokens in the cryptocurrency market. It is also the largest crypto asset by value among the top 100 Ethereum wallets. That's impressive, but why did she go through such positive transformations? It may be due to Satoshi's recent cryptic message regarding the imminent launch of Shiba. We may all be used to the cryptic Satoshi project updates by now, but he always manages to make the community think and think about any update he brings, probably because we are all eagerly anticipating the Siberia release. Anyway, Satoshi posted the cryptic update on the Shiba Inu Telegram channel, which simply reads "popcorn making." There is no mention of the Shiba Inu project, and Satoshi did not provide an explanation in his follow-up message, so this is obviously strange. Despite this, the shareholders did not refrain from expressing their happiness. Indeed, the Telegram message sparked a flurry of enthusiastic responses, as well as some amazing ones. At this point, it's fairly obvious that many people think Satoshi was referring to the launch of Siberia, which has caused a wave of excitement. In fact, a Shiba Inu influencer posted a screenshot of Satoshi's message on Twitter. She is on the way. The consensus is that Satoshi is implying that Siberia will be released in the near future. Additionally, some have speculated that the barium banner will be released on Valentine's Day, February 14th. This prediction is based on Satoshi's statement in his Twitter bio that she will bury him in a heart-shaped box with a bow. Who do you know? Popcorn could be Satoshi's way of telling us to get ready for launch. However, he said we wouldn't have time to celebrate when you buried him anyway. Please let us know what you think in the comments section below. Now the important news. Elizabeth Warren has claimed cryptocurrency-based money laundering. She urged the U.S. Congress to provide regulators like the SEC with the resources to properly oversee the cryptocurrency industry and combat money laundering. She believes that the current legal structure exposes cryptocurrency as a breeding ground for criminal activity and that financial agencies simply need to be empowered to clamp down on the market. Senator Warren stated in an interview with Politico's Morning Money on Wednesday that her primary focus in terms of cryptocurrency-related legislation is to crack down on money laundering activities, and the Digital Assets Money Laundering Act of 2022 and time will be introduced according to her. This measure, which was initially proposed in December last year, is said to be the largest direct attack on the autonomy and privacy of cryptocurrency users. Senator Warren believes the move will protect the U.S. economy, but cryptocurrency investors are aware that a law like this could make cryptocurrency trading more difficult. Keep in mind that one of the advantages of cryptocurrencies is that they are not overly regulated. Thus, if the U.S. government decides to enter the cryptocurrency market, many individuals may choose to avoid it. However, it is not entirely negative. Why is this happening? and Senator Warren's call to crack down on. The motivation behind cryptocurrencies is not limited to their view that they are worthless. It appears that it is taking this measure in an effort to reduce cases of cryptocurrency money laundering. Thus, this may be beneficial for the entire crypto system. In the long run, it may help make things safer, potentially preventing situations like the FTX crash that rocked the cryptocurrency market last year. What do you think? However, do you think the good outweighs the bad or vice versa, given that you need to know something else? But first of all, this channel gives out cheap 100,000 every day. Just subscribe to this channel, like this video, and leave a comment below to be eligible for this giveaway. Use the hashtag Shiba Inu best wishes. In addition, this channel now offers memberships. By joining, you are given access to a private group. If you are interested, we can discuss crypto gems, funding, and achievement. Select the Join Now link. The U.S. Congress is not the only branch of the U.S. government debating regulating cryptocurrencies. The Biden administration has just released a statement highlighting its comprehensive cryptocurrency framework and urging Congress to tighten up its plans to regulate cryptocurrencies. The initial component of the roadmap is the first comprehensive governance framework for digital asset development, published in September 2022. Implementing agencies are issuing new directives and increasing their enforcement efforts. Government agencies are developing public awareness campaigns to inform consumers of the risks associated with buying cryptocurrencies. If the Biden administration is discussing educating the public about the risks associated with buying cryptocurrencies, this statement is true. They seem to lack faith in cryptocurrency. Do not agree. However, is it also possible that they are trying to inform people that while there are benefits to cryptocurrency, there are also disadvantages, and both aspects should be considered before making the decision? However, what are your thoughts? Is the U.S. government totally against cryptocurrency? Meanwhile, it looks like Bitcoin is about to do something crazy. Veteran commodities trader Peter Brandt recently tweeted about the latest Bitcoin valuation. According to him, the price of Bitcoin has formed a double wall to fulcrum pattern, which is extremely rare. He also mentioned that his target X for the cryptocurrency is in the middle of the 25,000 range. The pivot point pattern is double-walled. According to you, today's chart pattern is a technical chart pattern that seems to have been introduced by Brandt himself. It is not a common pattern in traditional financial markets, nor is it among the charting patterns used by technical analysts. Many investors and traders believe that Brandt's latest Bitcoin market analysis is worth considering, as he has extensive experience in the crypto space and has made accurate Bitcoin predictions in the past. Thus, Bitcoin could become very volatile soon, and this seems even more reasonable in light of what we discussed in another video regarding the expectation of Bitcoin reaching a new all-time high of 200,000. I think the majority of us are aware of the interdependent nature of the cryptocurrency market. If these Bitcoin predictions come true, the rest of the cryptocurrency market, including Shib, is likely to be affected. This is undoubtedly something to be expected. This marks the conclusion of the video. Please like the video and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section if you enjoyed it. This is incredibly helpful to my understanding of the YouTube algorithm. Please share this video with as many people as possible. Let's spread this information.